let us see this question. The area, the f of x is equal to maximum area of x square comma 1 minus x square comma 2x into 1 minus x, where x is in between 0 to 1. Determine the area of the region bounded by the curves y is with x axis. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. This is the question he asked. So how to find this one? First of all, you have to draw the graph of this. Let us draw the graph of this one. So let us see. First graph is y is equal to x square graph. Let us draw the graph of y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square graph will be like this, correct? Y is equal to x square graph will be this shape. So this is y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square graph. And another one is 1 minus x square. What is the zero of this one? Y is equal to 1 minus x square. 1 minus x whole square. The zero of this one is x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. At one place the graph will come like this, because this is a quadratic equation. You can see this is 1 x square minus 2x plus 1. So this is a quadratic equation. And the roots is x is equal to 1. Equal roots are there. It is a quadratic equation. Equal roots means it is touching at one point and moving. So the graph of this function will be like this. Okay, this is the graph of another function. So this is the graph of another function. Look at the another function, 2x into x 1 minus x. 2x into 1 minus x. The graph of this function will be 2x minus 2x square. So this is there. It's a quadratic equation. Leading coefficient is minus 2. Quadratic equation, leading coefficient is minus 2. Zeros of this will be, what are the zeros of this will be? X is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1. If you make it 0, x is equal to 0 I am getting, and x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to plus 1, right? Plus 1. I am getting x is equal to plus 1. If I take here, minus 1 go, minus cancel. So another graph is coming 0 here and 1 here, and the graph is, this is minus 1. So minus is the leading coefficient is negative. So the graph will comes in this way. In this way graph will goes. So he is asking that these three graphs are done. You have to find maximum area. Maximum where to where? 0 to 1. In between 0 to 1 you have to find maximum. Maximum you should not find for whole. You have to find 0 to 1. From 0 to 1, if I see here, 0 here, from here, maximum is this part. And next is maximum is this part. Next graph. In these three graphs, that is the maximum that I am taking. So this is the maximum. But here till 0. Yeah, till 0. You don't have more than this. Right here. This wait a little bit. Here is this one. Correct? So what is the maximum area here? This one is the max. Next, this one is the max. And next is till this one. And okay, till going this. This is the max. This is the max. Okay. If you see properly, this is the max. Okay. For one, this is intersecting another place. Okay. This is also intersecting another place. So this is the maximum area from 0 to 1. These three graphs intersecting point is this. You have to find this maximum area. So here you have to find this intersecting point, and you have to find this intersecting point. This is a one, is another place. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? See here what I want to say here. This intersecting point is not near to this one. 1. If it is 1 is here, so intersecting is happening before this one. Okay. So this is the one point. Point 1 is here. The point 1 is here. So the graph is moving like this. Okay, this is the point 1. So till point 1, this is the highest point. This is the maximum point. You have to find this area. Hope you understand now. This is the you have to find. So now what I will do here, I will find the intersecting points. Okay, intersecting points. Let's find the intersecting point. So this is the down area of graph is 2x into 1 minus x, and this point is what? This point is this graph is y is equal to, this graph is y is equal to 1 minus x square, 1 minus x whole square. Let us equate them and find the value. If I equate them, you can get the value of x here. You will get the value of x here. So what I do here, I can find 1 minus x whole square is equal to, here is x into 1 minus x. So you can cancel 1 here. So what I get, 1 minus x is equal to x. So 1 is equal to 2x. So x is equal to half. Means this point is half. This point is half. Okay, you can find it is not forming triangle. Previous such a situation, what happening in this triangle? So directly I find half into base into half. Here is no triangle here. So you have to do integration only. There is no triangle formula. You have to do integration. How to do integration? Now I will explain. Now this point, let us go for this point. This point is 1. This point of intersection is 1. So here this is the line y is equal to x square. This is the line. These both intersecting points. So this is y is equal to this line. Then both of equalate that x square is equal to 2x into 1 minus x. 1 minus x. This x cancel out. What I am getting, x is equal to 2 minus 2x. Then 3x is equal to 2x is equal to 2 by 3. Means this point is 2 by 3. That is what I was saying. So now you have to find the integration of this whole. I think you got the values. So I can erase this values. Now I can find the integration. What is the answer here? Integration is equal to, first I have to take x values. The strip I have to take first 0 to 1 by 2. Integration 0 to 1 by 2. 0 to 1 by 2 upper area. This part is what? This is whose area? 1 minus x whole square. So 1 minus x whole square. This is the upper max. Max is, this is 1 minus x whole square. So 0 to 1 by 2, this is the max. So 0 to 1 by 2, max is 1 minus x whole square dx. And next plus integration. From here half to 2 by 3. Half to 2 by 3. Integration 1 by 2 to 2 by 3. In this place, this is the max. This is the max. So what was this one? 2x into 1 minus x. This is the graph of this point. So this point I can write as 2x into 1 minus x. If I multiply this one, 2x minus 2x square. So this will be 2x minus 2x square dx plus integration. Next 2 by 3 to 1. 2 by 3 to 1. In this case, which graph is coming here? Which graph is coming? In this case, the graph is getting y is equal to x square. This is the graph. So x square dx. This is the way to do it. So in previous one, some main problem I explained. In that what happened? It is forming a triangle. So I find height and I find base. I find directly. That sum also used like this. You can find integration using integration. That is the reason I find x values. So you can see in that question 0 to 1 by 2 which graph is there, mod x is there, which graph is there, you can find like that. Otherwise you can do this way also. The same thing here. Here now I applied the condition. Now we will find the area. Area is equal to 0 to half, and I can find this one a minus b whole square formula. What is a minus b whole square formula? Here I will get as 1 minus 2x plus x square dx. Okay, plus my half to 2 by 3. Here 2x minus 2x square dx. And I can take 2 common. Okay, what I do here, 2 I will take out. Okay, 2 I will take out. And plus integration 2 by 3 to 1 x square dx. So what I get here now, area is equal to, just find the area of 1. What is integration of 1? X minus 2 into x square. X different integration is x square by 2, and this x square integration is x cube by 3. Let's substitute half and 0. Plus now here 2 times of integration of x. What is the integration of x? X square by 2 minus, and what is the integration of x square? X cube by 3, and you can substitute 2 by 3 and half. Plus, and the integration of x square is how much? X cube by 3, and substitute 1, 2 by 3. And this is simple mathematics. Half you substitute here, 0 you substitute. This 0 is no use, and The rest of the thing you can do. So this problem can be done this way. So I explained you max, and in the previous lecture I explained you min, and I explained this. Now we are going to find area between the curves. This is most important topic. Next lecture we are going to find area between the curves. I will explain these problems all. After that I will give you very shortcut tricks, shortcut formulas, so you will get by that. So let's see in the next lecture.